How can we get rid of the screen lock? It's not needed. We don't want to see a screen lock every single time we turn the camera on. I think we don't need to be reminded, oh, screen is locked. Now the screen's not locked when it goes on quick snap. Oh yeah, I don't get it. It's just the way the unit works. Imagine if DJI allows us to do certain changes inside the camera. Things we don't want on and things we do want on. Imagine that. But, we have tips in the camera that eventually go away once you press it. So why can't the screen lock do the same? Go away. A little bit of peace and quiet, but there are cars early in the morning. I'm out for a nice bike ride, sharing what I think that DJI could do and not do. It's a good camera, an excellent camera indeed. We all got a great camera. It does a good job. I share a lot of videos to everybody, and DJI Action 3's there. And I expect, maybe 1, 2, you'll get ideas of how this camera works if you just, enjoy the video. This is a low light shot, all automatic. Now I beefed up the camera's manual to 3200. No way on earth is my EV value above it as well. So does that mean I have to go into my editor and take the HDR gamma and raise it? I think so. Now, when I change just the 3200 to 100 3200, because the camera is now going to be in control of saying, I'll put 200, I'll put 400, I'll put back 100, I'll put 1600, but I am able to beef up my EV value. What gives DJI? As much as I use the manual, it doesn't bother me. I know how it works, and that's how it works. It's not a DSLR, SLR camera. It's just an action camera. Where can you capture shots with an action camera? As is. Now, what may confuse people, and it's confusing me a little, but which I am now understanding, you have Pro, P-R-O. When you enable Pro, that doesn't mean the manual is enabled. It just means it gives you still the automatic, like you have it without it, and a manual. So if you want to just set your EV value, do so. And you want to leave the ISO alone. Leave it at 100, 12,800 alone, because that's what the camera could do. How many people on Earth use 12,800? But let me ask you anyway. GoPro only does 6,400, right? Now, is 12,800 just a fake number? Do they go higher than that? Should I set it up to 12,800? Hell yeah. And let's see what it looks like. I'm on 12,800. And that sure looked like it ruined my shot. Well, the rain's coming in. My shot's definitely ruined. It's Cement City, baby! I hope you enjoyed the video, the shots I shared, and the talk I gave. It is going to be a very interesting time with the Action 3, for sure. We're going to show a video a little later. I'm going to demonstrate on voice control, voice prompt with the Action 3, and GoPro. And you can decide which cameras you like best. The Ambra chip, the GP1, GP2 chip, your choice. And what camera will work for you and your needs. You can post all that down below. I'm Fish, and I'm going to put my camera away and see you on another day. Have a great day, everybody.